Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Time Machine backup on your MacBook Pro M5. So first of all, we're gonna have to prepare an external drive for this. Now, in my case, I only have this SD card, which is not the best option for the backup, so I highly recommend using an external SSD for better transmission speed. But basically what we have to do is insert the external SSD into one of the available USB-C ports, either on the left or on the right side of your MacBook. Then your MacBook will ask whether or not you want to allow this device to be accessed on your computer. And the next thing that we're gonna have to do is go to the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen, open System Settings, then open General, and then select Time Machine, and then click Add Backup Disk, and select your SSD in here. However, if you cannot see it in here, then your device isn't recognizing your SSD because of the specific format that it uses, or file format that it uses. And to change the file format, we have to open this Spotlight by pressing Command Spacebar and then search for Disk Utility. Then here find your SD card, click Erase, then give it a name, for example Backup, and as a format use exFAT to select the default format for this drive. But if you are using an SSD, you'll also be able to format it into APFS, which will make it most compatible with MacBooks, but basically only with macOS devices. So yeah, use APFS if you are planning to use this SSD only with your MacBooks. Then click Erase. Then click Done, and after that your SSD will be recognized by your computer. And then if we go to the Time Machine right here and click Add Backup Disk, we'll be able to see our drive. Click Setup Disk to proceed. Now as you can see, disk is not recommended for backups, as the disk larger than 1 TB is recommended for backing up this Mac. So that's what I told you about. Now if you want to encrypt your backup so that you can only restore the data of your device with a password, enable this feature. Then we can enter the password in here, the password for the backup, and then we're gonna have to re-enter it in the following field, and you can add a password hint at the bottom, and then set the disk usage limit. By default we have none selected, but if you select custom, you can adjust the limit to your needs. And then click let's add a hint, then click Done, and then the backup will start being prepared. Okay, so the next backup will be in 50 seconds. Let's wait. Okay, so then after a minute of waiting, your backup will start backing up, and as you can see, it will take us 2 hours to back up all the data that we can actually store on this USB flash drive. To stop the backup, just click the X right here, or wait until the backup is finished, and then you're gonna have an external SSD with backed up data from your computer. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.